this is all wrong. Young people are starting to understand the world is waking up and change is coming. Right here, right now is where we draw the line.
We the young, we the brave, we see the peril and the promise with 2020 vision. And right here, right now, we vow to organize and mobilize, to stand up and speak out, to find solutions from nature herself. Because there's no time to renegotiate. There's only time to regenerate, restore, and recreate. A systems failure means we need a systems change. And maybe you are the spark for that change. The UN is seeking the next wave of young champions of the Earth. If you're 18 to 30, if you're passionate, if you have big plans for people and planet, this is your chance. Right here, right now.